Searching for symptoms in SNOMED CT, the clinical dictionary within electronic health and care records. This individual has attended a medical appointment with a headache. The symptom will need to be recorded in his electronic health record. Recording symptoms is something a clinical terminology is used for. To illustrate, let's explore the NHS Digital SNOMED CT browser, which you can locate at termbrowser.nhs.uk. Symptoms sit within the clinical finding hierarchy. When searching, you can identify symptoms in the SNOMED CT browser as the concept's fully specified name will end with finding in brackets. The fully specified name is one of the descriptions of a concept. It will always have the concept's hierarchy at the end in brackets. Every concept has a different fully specified name. The best approach when searching is to type what you would like to say. You only need to type the first few characters of each word to return a search. The results for headache are returned on the left. 2 of these results are from the same concept. It does not matter which is selected, as they are both descriptions of the same concept. The fully specified name in the grey text in the right-hand column is the same for each and is how we can identify them as the same concept. To the right, you can see the concept screen, which includes the fully specified name, the unique ID, and the parents and children of the concept. Consulting the children of the concept can provide you with the confidence that you have selected the correct concept. How might this look in an electronic patient record? Type in HEDA has returned headache as the first result. Your electronic patient record system may have a feature to help guide you to the most appropriate term within SNOMED. Here is an example. We have a filter to filter only the findings hierarchy as we are recording a symptom. Selecting this will enable you to add this symptom to the electronic patient record. Where next? If you'd like to know more about SNOMED CT hierarchies, we have a fact sheet covering this topic. When selecting a term, it does help to understand which hierarchy a concept belongs to. For more information, visit our website, email our SNOMED implementation team, or search for SNOMED CT on Twitter.